Hello and welcome to the introduction video tutorial about Eightshift Forms. So first of all, let's start what Eightshift Forms is. So Eightshift Forms is a WordPress plugin that utilizes block editor to create beautiful forms that focus mainly on the user experience. With wide range of options like conditional logic, multi-language support, multi-step, multi-flow forms, and also wide range of third-party integrations, we have everything that you need in one plugin. So this plugin is designed mainly for developers, but it's also user-friendly for all editors and beginner users. With our extensive documentation, you will find everything that you need at one place. So follow up for the next series where we will show you all the features, how you can configure them, how can you use them. Also, we will go through some of the more advanced options like geolocation, conditional tags, multi-step, multi-flow forms, and etc. And in the end, we'll show you how you can also manipulate these forms and utilizes all the WordPress filters and actions to your full advantage, as is these forms are primarily made for the developers. So follow up for the next video where we will go over some of the basics, how you can configure your forms, where everything is, and how everything works. So stay tuned.